Hey guys, I'm Chelsea and I'm on a mission to eliminate single-use oral care products from every Aussie bathroom. Every morning, most of us start our day by cleaning our teeth. It's a repetitive, boring part of our daily routine that usually goes on autopilot. And it's probably not at the top of our list when we think about our impact on the environment. Aside from a few different flavours and ingredients, toothpaste is pretty much the same today as it was in the 1800s. For something that we only use for 4 minutes a day, it's having a devastating impact on the planet. Here are some facts about toothpaste that you use every day. It's packaged in a tube that's difficult to recycle because it's made with layers of different materials like plastic and aluminium foil. The product itself is mostly water, so to keep it from going moldy, manufacturers need to pump it with preservatives like parabens. Most toothpaste contains sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS, which is what makes it foam up when you brush, but it isn't that great for your insides. In Australia alone, over 100 million toothpaste tubes and plastic toothbrushes end up in our landfills and oceans every single year. Worldwide, that number is closer to 1 billion pieces of plastic, all from just brushing our teeth. So I decided to come up with a solution to traditional toothpaste that was good for you and good for the planet. We're super excited to reveal that we have just launched the first ever Australian-made toothpaste tablets. They're sustainable, chewable bits that clean your teeth without any nasty chemicals and without any excess packaging. Our tooth tabs are super easy to use. All you do is pop one in your mouth, bite down and begin brushing with a wet toothbrush to make it foam up into a deliciously creamy paste. Our tooth tabs are delivered to your door in reusable glass jars that you can refill over and over again with our compostable refill packs. They're vegan, they're available with or without fluoride, and best of all, there's zero single-use plastic involved. We all know that toothpaste is designed to be spat out, but with the mouth being one of the most absorbent places in the body, all those chemicals are being ingested by the time your 2 minutes is up. So when we were developing our formulas, it was really important that we only included natural ingredients that wouldn't harm your body or our waterways. Our tabs were made to replace the paste you've used your whole life. They're ideal for everyday use, and they're also perfect for traveling, camping, flying, and kids who smear sticky blue paste all over the bathroom counter. So if you're ready to say hello to the future of oral care, visit www.choosegood.com.au and ditch toothpaste for good.